welcome to your Wednesday edition. Midweek Wednesday, it's hump day. CNY Weathertainment 7-day forecast, 3 weather headlines. It is a cool, and I don't mean like the kids say, cool, a cool and wet period ahead. There are changes coming to Weathertainment. You'll want to check out where the pollen allergy report is, because come 24 hours from now, it's going to be something different coming your way because the pollen allergy season is over. And just like Annie Lennox sang in the early to mid-'80s, here comes the rain again, falling on my head like a memory. You don't want me to sing, I know. But it's coming back, even though it passed to our east for the most part overnight into this morning. It's going to come right back tomorrow afternoon, actually tomorrow night into Friday. It'll get moving in our direction and arrive Friday. Well, we'll get to that in a minute. All right, temps, that's a big part of the story. Very cool, especially as compared to where we've been. In the high 50s and low 60s for the next 4 days. Gradually warming up Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Kind of have nowhere to go but up at that point. Meanwhile, upper level storm, stuck and cut off from the atmosphere. Oh no! What does that mean? It means it's a constant feed of moisture out of the Gulf of Mexico, out ahead of a cold front that's approaching and moving through the area today, bringing the cooler air in that's keeping the temps under 60. Meanwhile, all that moisture feeding northwards, well, that means the front is getting stuck. As it approaches, it's going to move towards the coast, just to the south and east of our area, basically over Albany, and they're going to get socked with heavy rain frequently for the next several days, even while we dry out for the next 24 to 36. So all of this moisture is coming together at and ahead of the front. Look at all that dry air. We may get a taste of it, and I mean a taste, later today, tonight, and tomorrow morning, but that's it. But you can see the blue is blossoming on the infrared imagery, and it doesn't look any better on the water vapor imagery. Look at that swirl. That's the upper level storm. And all that moisture feeding ahead of it into the cold front. There is dry air there, and some of it will try to punch in later today and tonight. But if you're waking up early, probably a few showers early this morning, then the clouds hang tough behind the front because the front never gets far enough to our east to completely clear out. Meanwhile, rain goes on from Albany eastwards into Connecticut and New England. The clouds will never break for southern New York or eastern Pennsylvania or New Jersey. And unfortunately, while the sun will try to break in this afternoon and bring a relatively clearer sky tonight to tomorrow morning with more sunshine, the front reverses tomorrow afternoon. Skies cloud back up and the rain returns later Friday, especially Friday night and the weekend. Meanwhile, I said 74, turned out 75. Remember the rain I said would be several tenths of an inch of rain? 44 hundredths and still raining at press time. So that's still going up. Your forecast is coming up next.
Welcome to Intermission. Yeah, intermission.
Okay, here we go. Progression of events. If you're up early, some rain still lingering, especially for Otsego and eastern Herkimer County. So Mohawk, Herkimer, Richfield Springs, you're probably still picking up some raindrops. 8 or 9 a.m., that should shut off, but the clouds are going to hang tough for everyone in central New York. Gradually increasing sunshine after, especially, let's say, after 2 o'clock-ish. The sun should begin to break out as some clearing behind the front temporarily works in, but only a high of around 60. 45 tonight, I think a mostly clear sky, but it's a short window because after early sun on Thursday, it clouds back up with a high of only 58, and then only 56 on Friday with a cloudy sky through Tuesday. And just like Freddie Fender sang, rainy days and rainy nights. Well, I changed the words around a little bit, but it certainly fits the tune. So, clearing late today, clouding back up tomorrow morning and afternoon, overcast through Tuesday, with rain returning Friday evening, especially overnight, into Saturday. Could be heavy rain in weighted times. On and off showers on Sunday, on and off showers on Monday. You get the drill into Tuesday as well. So keep the umbrella handy. It's going to be your most valuable possession for the next 7 days. Have a great day.